Welcome to Customers Training. In this training, we will show you how you can make money online using the power of internet and only by connecting your computer and your phone with the internet and nothing else. You don't need your own website. You don't need technical knowledge. You don't need experience. You don't need a hosting server. No mailing list and no social media following required. Sounds good? And this is a customers training for our paying customers who purchased our products. But if you are watching this video from YouTube or any other social media channels, then you are watching a paid training free. So please motivate us for making more videos like this and help you learn for free by hitting the like button and sharing this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, especially your social media timelines like Facebook and Twitter. This way, just like we are helping you, you will be helping others learn how to make money online the easy way, the fast way, and the fun way. And whoever watching this video, you will get access to our money making softwares free. Links are all in the description. Go grab them and start using and making money from today. And if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video. So let us begin and show you how we make money. Honestly, we make money using contents like videos just like this. But this kind of video using camera and microphone is not a scalable process. So in order to run our 20+ channels and make many different types of videos without using camera, without microphone, recording ourselves, going through the script writing and video editing process, this is a hell lot of work. We wanted to avoid all this but get all the benefits of making videos and get customers, make sales, and make money. So we made our own artificial intelligence software, Epic. So right now you're looking at Epic user dashboard and we are showing you one of our Warrior Plus affiliate accounts. The money you see here, $74,555.21, are completely passive affiliate commission. While money is awesome, money doesn't come from thin air. Money comes from other people, our valued customers. They watched our content, they loved our content, they trusted us, and they clicked our links, and these are the hop or the clicks by our visitors of the contents, and when they purchased, we made money. This is the simplest form of making money online, and you can do it too. And in this video, I will show you step by step how you can do it without any sales experience, and you don't even need to sell in this method. Sounds good? Let's begin. By the way, Epic is free. Link is in the description. Epic is an artificial intelligence software. Epic allows us to write script using artificial intelligence. We copy script from anywhere or text from anywhere. We just put it in this text box, use any of these buttons, and the text is rewritten using artificial intelligence automatically. Then we go to the audio section, click this add button, put this text here, and click the submit button, and the natural sounding voiceover is ready for our video. That's not all. Using Epic, we can make videos using images and texts, and we can make bite-sized videos starting from 10 seconds long to 10 minutes long, and we can save our campaign to work later. When we come back, we can simply click an add new button to add a new section, and all our videos that we make, we put them on Epic, so our Epic users can use our videos and all the information that we are sharing from inside Epic dashboard. All you have to do is just click on this drop down and choose any of our videos, use them, change them if you want, add more information if you want. When you are done, happy with your video, click the render button and the video is ready in the background. Then you can download it and upload it anywhere you want and get hops like this. Those hops will generate commissions. If all these sound new to you, I'm here to share step by step how you can achieve this from today. But again, you don't have to use your camera and microphone. You can use Epic. Epic is free. Link is in the description. Go grab Epic. So as I told you, we make helpful videos helping our customers in advance. So here is an example video I found on TikTok, and I loved this video because this was helpful and informative video. Everyone needs to clean their window, and the easiest way is not window cleaners. The easiest way is to put 2 cups of water and half cup of white vinegar in a spraying bottle, and then spray it on your window glass, and then clean it with a brush and simply hose off. Your glass will be shiny. Almost everyone has white vinegar in their houses. If not a problem. It's extremely cheap. We tried it and it worked. We loved it. Now this is the TikTok account. When we loved their contents, we went on clicking their links. links. And yes, we purchased from them. Now you got the point? You don't need sales skills. You need a sincere intention of helping others using useful information that they're looking for. We were looking for how to clean windows. We searched on TikTok because we were already on TikTok, found helpful content, loved the creator, clicked their links and bought from them. This is exactly how we make money, and you can see hundreds of thousands of other people can make money and you can do it too. Now, this whole thing I demonstrated using screenshots, images, and even you learned how to do it, right? So yes, the truth is, for information videos like this, you don't need camera and microphone. You just need access to Epic, and Epic is free. Link is in the description, go grab it. Well, this was the simplest form of making money online. Now, in case you don't have this kind of link, this can be a simple affiliate link. And for that, you can go to Warrior Plus, create a free affiliate account, go to the affiliate section and click on the offers and find the offers that look like something you want to talk about to your audience, to your friends and family. And then you have to request for your affiliate link. There will be a box where you will have to explain how you want to promote their offer. Simply say that I'm going to promote using TikTok. I'm brand new, but I'm going to make simple, useful review videos and promote your offer to whoever views my videos. Honestly, if somebody is honest and sincere and open about how they're promoting, I would love to approve their request. So you can always search with the vendor name Mosh Bari, Moshbari, and search for my product, apply as an affiliate, explain how you want to promote. We will approve you, and when your visitors buy from you, you will get 50% commissions without website, without technical knowledge, without graphics, without copywriting, without anything. All you need is your affiliate link that you can collect immediately after approval. That is it. You start with getting your access to Epic and start making useful videos from today. Make videos for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube with a sincere intention of helping others. They will love you, they will follow you, and eventually they will buy from you. Did you like this video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. Easy way, the fast way, and the fun. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, so everyone else learns how to make money online and everyone gets access to our free softwares as well. All the links are in the description. And start making money for free. That is it. If you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next one.